This conference will now be recorded.
Hi all. Today we are going to discuss about TMG and TMG events. So first, what is TMG? TMG stands for Table Maintenance Generator. Means with the help of TMG, we can maintain the table data. We can maintain the table, like we can insert a new record, we can update the record, or also we can delete the record. But without TMG also we can maintain the data. But without TMG, we can maintain a single record at a same time only. We cannot insert multiple records. So let's say in your case, if we have 100 records, so we have to maintain 100 times. Of course, that is not possible. So now I'm showing you without TMG, how can we maintain the data? Then we'll create a TMG. So go to utilities, then TMG content, then create a new entry. Here I can check. We haven't created TMG, so you can pass the data here, TMP1, and you can select the date and save. Here you can check, we can insert single record at the same time. Missy. If you have 100 records, if you have 1000 records, then we have to insert the record 100 times or 1000 times as per your record only. So that is not possible, right? So that's why we need to use the TMG. We have to create the TMG. To create the TMG, go to the same menu, then create on, then click on table maintenance generator. This is the screen of TMG. So here you have to pass the function group. So you can pass any name, but that should be start from G and Y only. So what we can do, we can pass the same table name here. Then click on one step and then click on this find screen number. Then here you can check system proposal number. Then click on new entry. Click on new button. Since I don't want to transport this object to next server, so that's why we are storing in a local object. Object. Now system is creating the TMG. So after creating TMG, we'll see how to maintain the data. So we have created the TMG. Now go to the new session and open the T code SM30 to maintain the table. Here you can pass your table name, then click on maintain. Then click on new entry. So here you can check. At the same time, we can insert the multiple records. Apply 2, and you can select to the date 3. You can imply 3, and you can select to date. Then you can click on save. So here you can check with the help of TMG, we can maintain, we can insert more than one record at the same time. So that's why we created TMG. Go back, you can check. Now your client requirement is they are not going to insert any records. They are not going to insert any data into this table created on. So the requirement is that while creating entry on ID and employee name, the created on date should come automatically. So we'll see how can we populate this. How can we populate this record? If you are clicking on new entry and if you are passing ID, then press enter. So you can check your date field is blank. So now we'll see how can we populate the data into this field. So for that, we have to use the TMG event. Now go to this screen, go back. If you want to use TMG event, then go to same menu, go to TMG maintenance generator, then go to this environment, modification, and go to events. Okay. Here you can check. This is the screen of TMG event. And also, this is your interview question. Your interviewer may ask this question, what is TMG event? How many TMG events are there? So click on new entry and click on F4. Here you can check. We have more than 30 entries. That means we have total 39 events, TMG event in SAP. You can check here before save, after save, before deleting, after deleting, and 5 create a new entry. So this event is most popular. Create a new entry because for our requirement we have to use this event only, because our requirement is that while creating the data only we need to populate the date field. So that's why we need to use this event only. So what we can do, double click on this event, and here we have to give the subroutine name. You can give any name here. Let's say I'm giving populate data, populate underscore data, sorry, date, and copy this name and paste it. Here you can check there is one icon in the editor, and click on this icon. Then system is asking for a place, like in which place you are going to create this routine, you are going to create this local function. So here I'm choosing this new include and click on OK. So in this include, you have to write form and you have to keep the same name, and we have to close this form using end form. So we'll see in the later classes what is the subroutine, how can we see it, how can we create the subroutine. Actually this is your subroutine only, form in form. So now go to your table, go to S11 and open your table again, display, and copy your table name and field name. Your table name hyphen your field name. Equals to, so you have to pass the current date, right? So side item is a standard variable which holds the current date. So we have passed here your side item system variable, we have passed dot, then click on activate. Okay, we are getting one error. Okay, so click on here, we can see what is the error. The statement and form is not designated. Okay, sorry, you have to give here and form only. Now click on activate. Go back, save, go back, save here. So here you can check we are getting one message for function group jet imply cannot be processed. So it is your expected message. So what we can do, we can copy this function group and go to T code SET. Using SET, we have to activate this. Go to SET. Here you can select function group. Okay, it's already selected. Click on display. Okay, it's already selected. Fine. So right click here, then click on activate. Okay, it's asking currently editing. Okay, so we can check. Yeah, we can go back here. Now try to activate. Okay, still. So go back. Now you can activate it. It's activated. Now go to maintain the data. Go to SM30 again. Right. You can give any name here. Imply 5, or don't pass any value in the date. Just press enter. Here again. System automatically proposed current date. So this way we can use the TMG event. So in our case, we are considering a date field, but as per your requirement, if your client is telling we need to populate any value automatically, so with the use of event only, with the use of TMG events only, we can achieve. Okay. Okay. Thanks for joining. Bye.